Hey kids, good morning. How are you? I hope you all are fine. First, let's begin with prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes. Om Bhur Swaha Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Now, relax. Kids, take out your literacy skill sheet book. Literacy skill sheet book. Open page number 84. Yesterday we had learned about action words and we had done one activity also. Now again today we are going to do practice time related to action words. Fill in the blanks using the words given in the box. Here the words are given for you and you have to fill up them according to the questions given here. So let's read first question. What is Riya doing? What is Riya doing? What is she doing? Yes, she is dancing. So, find out where is the spelling of dancing. Here it is. D-A-N-C-I-N-G, dancing. Riya is dancing. D-A-N-C-I-N-G, dancing. Next, what is Sona doing? Now, what is Sona doing? Yes, she is running. So, find out where is the spelling of running. Here it is. R-U-N-N-I-N-G, running. Sona is running. R-U-N-N-I-N-G, running. Next, what is Sami doing? What is Sami doing? Yes, he is playing. So, where is the spelling of playing? Here it is. P-L-A-Y-I-N-G, playing. P-L-A-Y-I-N-G, playing. Sami is playing. P-L-A-Y-I-N-G, playing. Next, what is Mahi doing? What is Mahi doing? Yes, he is reading. So, where is the spelling of reading? Here it is. R-E-A-D-I-N-G, reading. R-E-A-D-I-N-G, reading. Mahi is reading. R-E-A-D-I-N-G, reading. What is Sumu doing? What is Sumu doing? Yes, she is eating. So, where is the spelling of eating? Here it is. E-A-T-I-N-G, eating. E-A-T-I-N-G, eating. Sumu is eating. Now, come to next page. Page number 85. Practice time. Look at the picture and tick right the correct answer. Here the pictures are given and two options are given to you. You have to tick right the correct answer. So first is the baby is laughing. The baby is laughing. Next option is the baby is crying. The baby is crying. So kids, what the baby is doing here? Yes, he is crying. So we will tick right to second option. The baby is crying. Next is the lady is cooking. The lady is cooking. Next is the lady is jumping. The lady is jumping. Now what she is doing here? Yes, she is cooking. So we will tick right the first option like this. Next, now the boy is drinking. The boy is drinking. Next is the boy is eating. The boy is eating. What the boy is doing? Is he drinking or eating? Yes, he is eating. So we will take a right mark to second option. Next is the boy is sleeping. The boy is sleeping. The boy is singing. The boy is singing. Kids, what is the boy doing here? Yes, he is sleeping. So we will tick right to the first option. Next is the boy is swimming. The boy is swimming. The boy is playing. The boy is playing. Now what he is doing here? Yes, he is playing. So we will tick right mark here. Last one is the boy is walking. The boy is walking. Next option is the boy is running. The boy is running. So what he is doing here? Walking or running? Yes, he is running. So we will tick right to the second option. Kids, this way you have to do these exercises in your book with your parents.